Guys, this piece gives off a really soft and luxurious feel the moment you wear it. The fabric is ultra light and smooth, almost weightless on the skin. It has a gentle sheer look that feels elegant and tasteful. Honestly, it's the kind of design that focuses on subtle beauty. The waistband is crafted to sit comfortably without any pressure. It hugs your body just right without feeling tight. Friends, this is perfect for long hours of wear, no discomfort, no distractions. Just a calm, easy fit. The stitching is clean and blends perfectly with the fabric. It stays invisible even under more fitted clothes. What stands out is how breathable and airy it feels. Great choice, especially for warmer days. The design is minimal, but very thoughtfully done. It carries a quiet confidence without being flashy. You get that polished, neat look effortlessly. The cut allows full freedom of movement. You can go about your day without even noticing it. The material quality feels soft yet dependable. It doesn't lose its shape easily after washing. That makes it a reliable everyday option. The overall fit is well balanced and flattering.